So you're looking for a home with Frisco schools, over 2,700 square feet, and something elegant on our premium lot. Boy, do I have a surprise for you. Hey everyone, if we haven't met yet, I'm Troy Sage, local realtor, and I'm dedicated to doing real estate differently. And in this video, I'm going to give you an exclusive tour of 2233 Riviera Drive. Let's check out this beautiful home. As you saw, the outside of this home is perfectly manicured, and when you enter this beautiful home, you're greeted by this large foyer. There's 2 bedrooms on this side of the home with plenty of closet space. One of the bedrooms actually has its own ensuite, its own private bathroom. And as we travel this way, you will see the formal dining room, study, and then the openness of the open floor plan concept. Let's keep going. If you love cooking and entertaining, you're going to love this gourmet style kitchen with a natural gas stove. One of the features of this home that I absolutely love is this oversized eating area just off the kitchen and adjacent to the living room. Easily seats 8 to 10 people, perfect for entertaining or having family over for the holidays. As you can see, this home has tons of upgrades, including plantation shutters. Now let's go check out the master or primary bedroom. You're gonna love this. There are so many upgrades, I can't list them all in this video. So not only is the inside beautiful, but the outside is perfectly manicured, and there's a screen-in porch plus a patio area. So let's go check it out. This beautiful screen-in porch is perfect for relaxing after a long day. To schedule a private viewing of this beautiful home, or for more information on this home or any home in the area, leave a comment below or reach out to me direct. And if you want to stay current on all things real estate in the North Dallas, Texas area, click subscribe and the bell and you'll be alerted every time I upload another video. And if you want to know about the pros and the cons of this area, check out this video here.